Hey guys, it's Yozy Gamer here, and today I'm very happy to say Mitsubishi is back in Forza Horizon 4. I'm very happy to say that. So, let's get straight into it. Okay, so this is going to be a free add-on. There is no money, no paywall to purchase this, so it's completely free. So you can go and get these cars as soon as possible. And yeah, we've also got 7 vehicles which are shown in the Forza monthly stream that I showed. We've got the Eclipse back, we've got the Evo 6, we've got the Evo 8, the Evo 9 and the Evo 10. We've also got a return which is the GTO. Now I don't think I've seen this since one of the Forza Motorsport games, but that's pretty cool. We've also got the Galant back, which is awesome. So we have finally got them back, and I was wrong. I thought they'd be gone forever, but no, I'm very wrong. Anyway, I'm gonna end it here because it was only meant to be a quick video showcasing they're back. It's really cool. So yeah, I'll see you guys later in my next video. Make sure to subscribe, follow my social media accounts, all that stuff, and yeah, peace.